Hello and welcome to this week's Solution Saturday. In this video, we're going to go through question 4 from the Highgate paper B. Make sure to check out the other videos in the playlist for more work solutions for this paper and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our other videos. Consider this question. James has 15 sweets in his pocket. He has 7 red sweets, 6 blue sweets and 2 pink sweets. Without looking, he removes some sweets from his pocket and places them on the table. What is the smallest number of sweets he should remove to guarantee that he has at least 1 sweet of each colour? If you were to pick 7 sweets, the worst case would be you would get 7 reds. If you were to pick 13 sweets, the worst possible option would be 7 red and 6 blue. Therefore, if you were to pick the smallest number of sweets for a guarantee of all colours, it would be 14, as the 14th sweet would have to be pink. Let's move on to the next question. 4 identical rectangles are joined together to form a larger rectangle as shown below. The area of the larger rectangle is 192 centimetres squared. Find the length of the side labelled X. First, we find the area of each small rectangle by doing 192 divided by 4, which is 48. Note that the length is 3 times the width. Therefore, we need to find factors of 48 where one factor is 3 times the other. If you factor 48, you get 1 and 48, 2 and 24, 3 and 16, 4 and 12, 6 and 8. The only pair that satisfies the length being 3 times the width is 4 and 12. Therefore, your length is 12. Let's move on to the next question. Karen wants to find the value of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. Rather than just doing the calculation, she notices that she can reorder the numbers in a clever way. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. She does this because 1 plus 10, 2 plus 9, 3 plus 8, etc. all add up to 11, and so her sum simplifies to 11 plus 11 plus 11 plus 11 plus 11, which equals 55. Using Karen's method, add up all of the whole numbers from 1 to 20. 1 plus 20 is equal to 21, and you have 10 sets of these from 1 to 20. The last pair would be 10 plus 11. There are 10 pairs from 1 to 10 as there are 10 numbers. Therefore, you do 21 times 10, which equals 210. This is your final answer. Let's move on to the next question. Tina is an athlete and she is completing a difficult training session. Her coach makes her run 5 meters forwards and then 5 meters back, then 10 meters forwards, then 10 meters back, then 15 meters forward, 15 meters back, and this continues until she has run 100 meters forwards and then 100 meters back. How far does Tina run in total? This is similar to the previous question, except that each number is 10 times bigger. The question states that Tina runs forward 5, then runs back 5, meaning she ran a total of 10 meters. If she did the same there for 10 forward, 10 back, she would have run a total of 20 meters. Therefore, you are going to add all the numbers from 10 all the way up to 200. 10 plus 200 gives you 210. This means that you are going to have 10 sets of 210, meaning your equation is 210 times 10, giving you a total of 2,100. This is your final answer. Thank you for watching. We hope you have been able to gain valuable skills that you can apply to problems similar to this one. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment or reach out on our other platforms. Check out the other videos in the playlist for more solutions on tricky questions from this paper.